All right, welcome back to our video for today. And so today we're talking about how to rig up your Texas rig. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using just a standard curly tail worm, and it looks like this. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your worm out of your bag. You are then going to take your hook, and you are going to go in about 1/8 of an inch, and then you're going to pop it back through. Okay, so it's going to look like that right there. All right, now you're going to take this worm and you're going to slide it up onto your hook. All right, I'm using a straight tail or a straight shank hook for the video today. But any hook will work. And then all you're going to do is you're going to figure out where that hook lands. All right, so it lands about right there. And so then all I'm going to do is I'm going to push that hook through. And then so it's going to come out. It's going to look just like that. And now I am going to take the worm, push it up, and then barely bury the tip of that hook. That's called exposing. And then you end up with your Texas rig that looks something like that. So if you check out the next video, we will talk about how you are going to fish this particular setup while you are out on the water.